Have you ever wondered if there's a ceiling to what our current computing technology can achieve? Computers have been a game changer, a revolutionary force that has reshaped our society in countless ways. From the way we work, play, learn, and even how we connect with each other, the impact of computing technology is evident in almost every facet of our daily lives. Yet, for all their power and complexity, computers today still have their limitations, especially when we compare them to the most sophisticated piece of biological machinery known to us, the human brain. Our brains have the ability to perform complex computations and learning tasks with a level of energy efficiency, speed, and adaptability that conventional computers can't yet match. Consider this. The human brain, weighing just about 3 pounds and operating on roughly 20 watts of power, can process information at speeds that make even the fastest supercomputer seem sluggish. Moreover, unlike our silicon-based machines, the brain's structure is not fixed. It's capable of changing and adapting, constantly rewiring itself based on new experiences and information, a feature known as neuroplasticity. Computers, as they are today, can't compete with this level of versatility and efficiency. But what if they could? What if we could harness the power of biological computation to push the boundaries of what's possible with our technology? To surpass these limitations, researchers are now exploring an exciting frontier: human cell-powered microchips. What if we told you that the next big thing in computing might not be a thing at all, but a living, breathing part of you? Imagine a world where the power of the human brain and the precision of silicon chips are combined to create a new frontier of computing. This is the world of human cell-powered microchips, or, as they're more commonly known, biocomputers. In the heart of these biocomputers are living human brain cells. These aren't just any cells, they're brain cells derived from stem cells, the building blocks of life. These stem cells can be transformed into any cell type in the human body, including brain cells. These brain cells are then carefully grown on silicon chips, where they form intricate networks of synapses and neurons. These networks act very much like the wires in a traditional computer system, transmitting and processing information. But what makes these biocomputers truly remarkable is their ability to communicate with electronic circuits. They do this using a variety of methods, including electrodes, transistors, or optical fibers. This means that the electrical signals generated by the brain cells can be harnessed to process and store information, just like in a conventional computer. Beyond this, the brain cells within these biocomputers can change their shape, grow, replicate, or even die in response to the demands of the system. This gives the microchips a level of adaptability and plasticity that traditional computers simply can't match. They can evolve and adapt over time, just like a living organism. In essence, human cell-powered microchips are the perfect marriage between biology and technology. They leverage the incredible computational capabilities of the human brain and combine them with the precision and reliability of electronic circuits. The idea might seem futuristic, but it's already here, and the potential applications are mind-blowing. Imagine artificial intelligence that can perform complex reasoning and learning tasks, biotechnologies that can interface with biological systems, and medicines that can diagnose, treat, or prevent diseases affecting the brain or nervous system. The possibilities are limitless, and it's all thanks to the power of the human cell. Now that we've introduced the concept, you're probably wondering, how do these human cell-powered microchips actually work? Well, let's embark on this fascinating journey together. Firstly, the brain cells used for these microchips are derived from stem cells. Now, stem cells are unique because they can morph into any other cell type in the human body. These stem cells can be obtained from simple blood samples or skin biopsies and are then transformed into the specific brain cells needed for our microchips. These brain cells are then nurtured and grown on a silicon chip. It's like planting a seed in a garden, only this garden is a tiny chip and the seed is a brain cell. As these brain cells grow, they form networks of synapses and neurons, creating a complex web of connections. These synapses and neurons act like the wires in the system, carrying electrical signals across the chip. But how do these brain cells communicate with the electronic circuits on the microchip? This is where it gets really interesting. They use a variety of methods such as electrodes, transistors, or even optical fibers. These allow the brain cells to send and receive electrical signals to and from the silicon chip. An exciting aspect of these microchips is their adaptability and plasticity. The brain cells can change their shape, grow, replicate, or even die in response to the demands of the system. This means that the microchips can adapt and evolve over time, much like our own brains do. This flexibility allows the microchips to perform a wide range of complex tasks and computations, pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible with computing technology. So, as you can see, these microchips are not just adaptable, they're also incredibly resilient. They are a testament to the amazing complexity and adaptability of the human brain, and a glimpse into a future where technology and biology are seamlessly intertwined. The potential applications of human cell-powered microchips are as vast as they are exciting. Imagine the world of artificial intelligence. Now, it's not just about algorithms and computations, but also about the ability to process and learn in the same way that the human brain does. These microchips could be the key to unlocking a new level of AI, capable of complex reasoning and learning tasks that are currently beyond our reach. We're talking about AI that can adapt and evolve just like the human brain, opening up possibilities for advancements in everything from autonomous vehicles to personalized learning systems. Let's shift our focus to biotechnology. Human cell-powered microchips could be the bridge between electronics and biology, interfacing with biological systems in ways we've never seen before. Imagine a chip that can interact with organs, tissues, and cells, modulating their functions to treat diseases or enhance performance. The possibilities are staggering. Imagine microchips that can monitor and adjust insulin levels in real time for diabetics, or chips that can detect and neutralize cancer cells before they spread. The field of medicine could also see a revolution. These microchips could lead to advancements in diagnosing, treating, and preventing diseases that affect the brain and nervous system. For instance, these chips could be used to create a map of neural activity, helping us understand conditions like Alzheimer's or Parkinson's in unprecedented detail. Or they could be used to stimulate neural regeneration in patients with spinal cord injuries. However, with great potential comes great challenges. The ethical and moral implications of integrating human cells with electronic components are complex and profound. Issues such as consent, privacy, and the potential for exploitation or misuse of this technology must be carefully considered. The implications of this technology are enormous, but so are the challenges. We're standing on the precipice of a new era in computing, one that could change our world in ways we can't yet fully comprehend. As we move forward, it's crucial that we navigate this new frontier with care, balancing the potential benefits with the ethical considerations. While the potential of human cell-powered microchips is immense, so are the challenges and ethical considerations. This new frontier of computing is not without its trials and tribulations. The development of this technology is a complex task that requires not only technical expertise, but also careful consideration of ethical boundaries and potential risks. The technical challenges are manifold. For instance, integrating living cells with electronic circuits is no small feat. It requires a deep understanding of both biology and electronics, and the ability to merge these two fields in a way that is both functional and safe. Additionally, ensuring the long-term viability of these microchips is a significant hurdle. The human cells need to be kept alive and healthy, which can be a challenging task in an artificial environment. Then there are the ethical considerations. The use of human cells in technology raises a host of ethical questions. Where do we draw the line between biology and technology? How do we ensure that this technology is used responsibly and doesn't lead to abuses? These are questions that society as a whole needs to grapple with as we venture further into this new frontier. And of course, potential risks cannot be overlooked. While the potential benefits of human cell-powered microchips are huge, so too are the possible dangers. Could these microchips be used to manipulate or control individuals? Could they lead to unforeseen health complications? It's crucial to thoroughly explore and understand these risks before such technology becomes widespread. Despite these challenges, ongoing research in this field is immensely important. The potential benefits of human cell-powered microchips are too great to ignore. From revolutionizing artificial intelligence to advancing medicine and biotechnology, the possibilities are truly astounding. However, careful regulation is necessary to ensure that the development and use of this technology are guided by ethical considerations and that potential risks are properly managed. This means fostering an open dialogue between scientists, policymakers, ethicists, and the public to ensure that everyone's voices are heard and that the best decisions are made. As we stand on the brink of this new frontier, it's clear that the future of computing is not just about machines, but about the fusion of biology and technology. This fusion holds immense promise, but it also demands our careful attention and responsible stewardship. As we move forward, let's do so with our eyes wide open, ready to face the challenges and seize the opportunities that lie ahead.